Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Timo from Flipping Central back here with another video where today I am recording this at 2:33 a.m. Today is the launch of the RX 9070 XT, so we're going to be heading out in a couple hours to go ahead and try and hopefully secure a card. So I know this is like crazy late, honestly, because I was planning to leave at like around 6, so I'm probably going to get like maybe 3 hours of sleep. But sometimes in life you gotta do what you gotta do when you got love for the game. So we're gonna go ahead, try and sleep up a little bit, and then I'll pick up the camera when I'm about to head out. Hopefully we get a card. If we don't, then I'm just gonna document my L. I gotta go up to Micro Center anyways today because I need to get basically like a kit of RAM for this PC that I'm selling. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Boys, so yeah, I think my battery died. I don't even know how, but all right, so I'm already late. Freaking missed my first couple alarms. Now I'm up, it's like 6:50 right now, so I don't know. I got my little battery pack here, so I'm about to just jump and go from there. All right, we are ready to go. That is unfortunate, but it's all good. It's part of life. All right, so it is 7:06. We're on the road. Only been on the road a couple minutes, but we are already stuck in traffic, so it's unfortunate. If I didn't if I didn't miss my alarm, then probably wouldn't have to deal with this. But again, such is life. Probably should have asked somebody to get me up, but it's fine. He could have just asked my dad. He probably would have woke me up, but I didn't. So that's my L. But we'll see. Hopefully, I heard that the Miami store had like 500 cards, so I'm hoping that the Fairfax store has not like, obviously not the same numbers, but I'm hoping there's probably like maybe 200, 300. And I doubt there's gonna be that many people in line on a Thursday morning, so we'll see. Yeah, I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna lie to y'all, it is hella cars up here, bro. I'm like 2 minutes out right now. And I'm in the line to try and get into like the shopping center, whatever you want to call it. Bro, it is hella cars. I never seen this many cars up here, bro. So I don't know. Hopefully it's not a big deal, but I don't know. To be honest, we'll see. See the line, bro. I see the line. Oof. There are some people, a couple people. So we'll see. See.
They're like, oh, you can't sit down. It's like,
Should be getting let in here soon. First in line, let's go. That's fine.
Reaper, $722.89.
Boys, we got the goods. Yo, we got the car, bro. Let's go. So we got the 9070 XT Prime. So yeah, I mean, honestly, fat dub today. Fat dub. I'm not gonna lie. I thought that this experience was gonna be a lot more different. I didn't think it would be like kind of, I don't want to say easy, but I mean that's kind of what it was. It was like LA easy. Like I was planning to come around 6, but I ended up accidentally sleeping in. So I got caught in traffic. I ended up here around 8:10, 8:15, I want to say. So after that, basically got in line. There was probably at least 150, 200 people in front of me. And then as as I was in line, there was a lot of people that came behind me. But I ended up being able to secure one of these cards at MSRP. So yeah, it's a fat dub, honestly. Really happy. So finna go home. I don't really have like a build plan for this, so either what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna sell it to a friend at MSRP, or I'm going to put it in a flip. I'm not really too sure right now, but obviously I came out like I wanted to come and get some RAM anyways, because I needed this for, it was a build that I had done with an RTX 3080, and I was having issues with the RAM, so like one of the sticks wasn't getting recognized. So I just came down here, wanted to make sure that I could actually secure that RAM, and getting a graphics card on top of that, that's a fat dub, bro. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. That's looking a fat dub, bro. So nah, yeah, I guess I'll see you guys when I get back. I'm gonna throw it in my system and then go from there. A ton of people. They're still out there on the building. I don't think any of these guys are gonna be able to get an XT, honestly. All right, first start. Tight. Come on. I had to fill up the car real quick, but now we're about to be on the way home. I don't know what happened earlier. I had to jump it, but shoot, bro. Battery seems to have charged up enough, so should be good. So yeah, guys, we got the card. Everything looks good. So I did obviously like open it up. I wanted to see what it looked like. You know, maybe test it out in the system. You know what I mean? Maybe test it out in the system. You know, a very nice high-end, high core count, high RAM system. You know, that definitely did not cost me $200. So yeah, that's I mean, honestly, my experience going to Micro Center for this card was literally so smooth. Shout out AMD, shout out Micro Center, because literally I showed up at 8 o'clock and I was able to get a card for MSRP, so super happy about that. But yeah, I mean, honestly, that's pretty much all I had for this video. If you have any questions, any concerns, any comments, leave them down below. Be sure to join the Discord. That's where we drop like Discord deals. We also show, you know, little sneak peeks and stuff like that. So yeah, appreciate you guys for watching, and see ya.